Obi bekene kwa mono kita choka bia togali uche biko video na feba bụ ihe na-aga on na Nsukka between the local government chairman and ndị nwa obodo. Gịnị na-esasi na local government chairman bịa nalụ ndị mmadụ anaha n'ike na-ekili ya na uti ihe dị n'ime ya o. They didn't give people room to even harvest. And they clear ya. And some of the people put out for the protest, they end up being locked up in jail. Akpuchi. So now, what right have you as an Igbo person? Hear your view. Kitani okwu nni agbalofu anwa na akpagharị n'ime ahịa anyị nọ niile. And uses Ndigbo. We are not operating Ndigbo. And this is also a wake up call. Mathias raporo ihe o yeme na bịa ọ na-eme ihe na gbasara ya. This is a wake up call to everybody. Mathias kwesị bịa okay, you join one day to this fight. You call out this local government chairman to order. That police and that guy who bupute organize Ndigbo. This is the fight you kwesị iti onwe gị n'ime ya. Yo go kwesị iti onwe gị na abupute onwe gị. Yes, ni anugu na ogwa aka afọ isi ya. Onye protest ya akpọle ya. This video na-eme n'ime Nsukka na Enugu state ka ọ na-eme. And the government of the day na-agba nkịtị. It's so sad that a little power in the hands of an average black man is like a time bomb when actually explode. A little power in the hand of an average black man is like a time bomb when actually explode. Aboge ka ichi obodo. Ndị obodo na-akawa no notice, nothing. Ugoro nu cho use the hana. Ugoro nu cho use we me ha abalo obodo ulo. Then give people room to harvest their crops. Uno damage everything greed na agbago. Alex Oti na alo airport na Abia State. Anụrụ unu ndị mmadụ, nobody protested, nobody si no major ya. Despite having hectares of land, kilometers of land. Enwere onye apatasi na major ya dia. Why are some of us intentionally being wicked? Intentionally being wicked. And people's ancestral properties. Unana azoko. La nandom de madini. When you protest, akpoli akpuchi. Adjourn the police, commissioner of police, or inspector general of police. Imagwana turn helen them mad up and down. I couldn't this video because. And then this video kabaru shienia because when you met to torata don't wake me to th things maybe but it's so sad na apata anasin ndị nwa ọnụ kwuti ọnụ n'okwu ha na adopode. I'm expecting Mathias to pilot this issue or pilot I can never below the front leader of this thing now because now outside Batagoka I will illegally go back to when it below. You happy he me, not tree hozo. If you do brother Jerome, say, brother Jerome, I said, okay. It's so sad that people are still buying into that your theology in speaking for years without seeing the bigger picture of you really want your own selfish desire. You don't have people's interest at each of forgetting for their mind again is in on alone. Ihe na-apa your lot, ihe na-apa your near, ọ bụ sọsọ gị na-aga n'iru datin, ọ na ọ bụrụ alụ ka ọ bụ. Ị na-apa your near movement, in that movement ị na-apa your near, sọsọ gị na-aga n'iru. How many of your members can you post that are doing well? None. Mana sị ka atụ ego, you organize ego ha, eme mkpọtụ, tụwalị gị ego unu je polisi, chekwa ngwam isi na Anambra nke Enugu, nye file petition, file akwụkwọ, mee nke against Brother Jerome. Under 24 hours, you've done all those things. Mana the right of people are being violated in your state, in your local government. You are not saying anything about it. I want to know nga this issue for more than 1 week now. Unu ya watch this video, unu watch it, unu afọ ihe menje kwuru maka ihe nne kwuru ka okwu m ghara ito ogologo ka ọ dịkwa.
What they are doing to people's farmland.
Time is almost to 8, and we are still at area command. Nsukka. These people are from Nguru community. Over some weeks, the chairman of Nsukka local government decided to invade the Nguru community land, and we were on the spot. We wrote to the governor for his intervention, and up to now the governor is here to respond to that particular letter written to him. At the same time, the Nsukka local government chairman led some security personnel with some persons to invade the land yesterday and started clearing it. And these people came out to know who these people were, only to be stopped by the police, the DSS, and some military personnel that he came to that particular land, and even stop them from doing a video or recognizing the fact that they are actually protesting against that particular decision of the chairman to acquire their land without their consent or without a formal arrangement to that effect. However, after yesterday, some persons were invited from the community. The Igbo of the community was invited, Barrister Etel by the PG, Obute, Ejofo, and one other person were invited to come on Tuesday. But these people said no, that they have nothing to hide, they are not running. That anytime the police need them, that they will come. The police now said that they should come today, being Sunday. And they came. We've been here since 12 o'clock. They are dragging them to this place. But unfortunately, after they were done writing their statement, we called the area commander, told the area commander the situation that we have. That some persons have been detained. Area commander said that yes, those people were detained on instruction of the commissioner of police. We called the commissioner of police, and the commissioner of police referred us back to the area commander. And since morning, they have been posting us that if you call area commander, he will refer you to CP. If you call CP, CP will refer you to the area commander. Why we decide to make this video is for the world to continue to see what Nsukka people have been subjected to under the leadership of this chairman. If you want to acquire people's land, there is a procedure. You discuss with the community. You have arrangements with them. And on a reliable source from these people shows that the chairman, in his personal capacity, even before becoming a chairman, has been dragging this particular land. And this land is the subject of litigation pending before the High Court, which even the High Court issued an injunction restraining parties from interfering with that particular land until the matter is dispensed with. But unfortunately, these people are acting, the police is acting on the beheads, on the instruction of the chairman to keep Obute and Jofo behind cell.
Alright, I greet you my lovely fans and friends. How is it, Kuku? Yeah, the founder and the president of Igbo Movement Connect. Okay, as you can see, I have some video and drop now, but Sali Fenemena Nguru Nsukka. Goes actually fambo their honorable Shinedu Asogwa Jude. And these people are crying since all this while. Because now, if a little fan a that's why I post all these videos. Try to watch the videos, share the videos, comment your own view. But when you're machine do asogwa 1 week to do the needful, failing to do so, I will intervene. And when I come in, if I fall, oga mara, oga matie. I don't matter egu. I don't matter egu. I don't matter egu if I'm a metro munga or a balomebe. In my why? Man, I shame more than I'm. Please, do the needful now. And I will send my team to go there and investigate and interview some people about what is going on in Nsukka and Nsukka. The video will drop later in the maybe next 2 days. But again on te. Echokwale kidnap all my team or wafebe. Aha! Mfuzi ebe mmesi we bia we beg aka. Adrama sonya mu bia kwụ n'aja. Mana ọkwụsị aja amwe ka dị n'ahụ aja. Fani Igbo ọ ga-amalele mma. Abụrụ m blogger. Abụ m onye ndu bali mezi ọdịnala Igbo. Ebe afụ ndị ọzọ na-agba nkịtị. Mma nkịtị. Maka mmechi ọnụ chime mechi ọnụ. Please, Shinedu Jude Asogwa, Ibu chairman, a brother president, Kiji Abu governor, but you are taking this matter too far. Try to go back to drawing board. Oh, is a wara, manora weze. And that auntie, Palo, Nketa Nkechi. All about Tuesday, I will start my own game. And my own game may spoil your own movement. That my people can forget as an evil man. They man choose yours. This protest now, Gabu, heavy one. That I will organize people in the diaspora to join the movement. And big radio stations will be involved, which I will organize as well. If I fail na job, I get wet here. Okay, one manage no ge. Such as Yoto to Ponsiaba Noto. Onye nwere uche adara agba obodo mgba. Because na if ndị Nsukka nguru afenwe ha menwulu ona ha mechili ọnụ fabro nobody ha bụ ndị Igbo. Every Igbo person ma gbali ọgụ. And there's me horror what people today now. Igbo movement has resumed work from 1st of this month. So any case you nwelu di anga butela anye how to do it and how to handle it. Anya man nozi di ba ya bulo feke. Anya man nozi di ba ya bulo ikwikwi. I will office na Nnewi beside police station Nnewi. Africa, I know. Every matter must be treated. I am man nozi mmadu agba ibe ọkụ. I am man nozi mmadụ eli ego ibie anyị ma nnọzi mmadụ ibie si na ị na-anụ nwaanyị nụgidere ị na ha anọzi ya na maziela onwe ya ma nwaanyị abịa megbuo die ma ọ bụ nweta meji na-esu egbimgbimgbimgbim no agba mbụ ọtụa n'ogbe agba abụọ atụọ n'ogbe ọsọ ka apịla akụ. So now we are live and direct at Nnewi, our office. Anyị nwere ndị police, nwee ndị army, nwee local vigilante nji alụ ọlụ, we registered, oji ogwu, ọṅụlụ ikwikwi of course waladi, sign off.